This is a concept supercar. Do you think it would be possible to build this as an RC model car? Yes, absolutely. We can definitely do it. In fact, this is that very supercar currently under construction. So, let's see how it's being built. First, we need to make a hub or mount to securely hold the tires. This is the part that connects directly to the wheel axle. Alright then, let's build it. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to mention a name suggestion for this concept car in the comments. Next up, friends, we need to mount the piece we just made onto the axle. We need to install it just like this for all 4 tires. Now, let's see how to make the tires we need for this vehicle. Now, we need to attach this cut piece exactly like this to add extra strength and durability to the wheel rim. After that, we need to shape it a little bit to look like a tire. After that, just keep following along with what I'm doing. Now, glue 2 layers of cardboard strips together. Next up, guys, we need to wrap and glue a rubber strip around it, just like this to get much better grip and friction. Alright friends, The tires are officially finished. Now all that's left is to mount them onto the car. Let me do that super fast, and I'll be right back. Alright friends, the job is done. The tires are mounted, and about half of the car is now complete. The car has a really low stance, and I feel like we might also need to add a wide body kit to it. If you guys want a full step-by-step video on how I built this, please drop a comment below. Also, as I mentioned before, don't forget to suggest a cool name for this build. Thank you, friends.